I want to thank you for the cooperation I got from you yesterday. I cannot thank you enough. Today as well,
the police thanking the fans for having performed a very peaceful and successful protest yesterday. The protest is still ongoing. The people are still saying that they have suffered a lot and then that they really want to change. The people, the youth of Nigeria is still on it and there is no giving up. 10 days is 10 days. I'll leave you to watch the rest of the clip yourself. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye. Take care.
I'm here to meet with you here and to let you know that so far so good. I'm saying thank you.
Thank you.
If you think we are going to come here and have confrontation with you, you have failed. If you think that is what is in your mind, then it will not happen. But at the same time, I want us to know that we don't want you to block the road. You can take, wait. You will stay here with you. Our jobs are to protect life and property. We will stay here with you. We'll stay here with you. We'll protect you. Anywhere you want to go, we will go with you. So far, so good. I thank you so much. May Almighty God continue to be our guide. You guys have been so wonderful to us, whether we like it or not. You guys know your right and you stand by your right. You guys have been assisting the police. I have walked almost everywhere in this country. I have walked almost everywhere in the country, but the level of cooperation I get from you, I have not gotten anywhere. So I thank you so much for the cooperation and I look forward to more.
To complain when they have turned us into people that cannot talk in our own country. We elected them to come into power and do what is right. If Nigeria is peaceful, if the poor masses are having food to eat and everybody is going on their normal duty, nobody will come to the street to complain.
Nigeria jaga jaga, everything scatter. Come and they suffer. Bossa, one shot in the air. I'm I came to your house. He no take money, he no rape your wife. Went straight up to your bedside. Bossa, still fake now, you're down. Which I'm robber, no one money. Which I'm robber, no one Johnny. Now political, I'm robber with that. Now waiting to kill Nigeria, oh. Nigeria jaga jaga. Everything.